Since wala na po yung mama ko in the office because she lost the 2019 election. So, naging ano po, parang na doon nagtapos. Hindi namin alam kung ano na pong status right after po na natalo yung mama ko.
So, news update pa rin tayo ngayon mga ka-YouTube. Patungkol pa ito sa isinagawang Senate hearing kaugnay sa kaso ng Socorro Bayanihan Services Incorporation. At narito nga yung pahayag ni Atty. Ralna Dian Florano de la Piña patungkol doon sa itinatanong ni Senador Ronald Bato de la Rosa. So pakinggan po natin at agniin ito mga ka-YouTube.
Mayroon taga-GSA dito? Yes, ma'am. Ang tanong ko lang.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Thank you for coming, ha?
Yes po.
As per SBSI, Kapihan was declared Bukas Grande Flagship Tourism Enterprise Zone by TIEZA. Did this materialize or optional na ba ito?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I don't have personal knowledge, but maybe we could include it in our comments. If we...
Kung pwede, pakibigyan ng position paper niyo, ma'am.
Yes,
pertaining to this issue.
Yes po.
Yung pagiging flagship tourism enterprise, ano nang status ito?
Yes. I'll check with my superiors.
You're with TIEZA?
TIEZA Legal Department, Your Honor. TIEZA Legal Department.
Legal Department ng TIEZA?
Yes.
Dito sa National Headquarters, sa Central Office?
Yes po, sa main office po.
Main office.
Yes po.
Thank you.
Okay.
How about you? Thank you, Mama, thank you. Attorney, about this, may alam ka ba dito? Itong TIEZA, something... Tourism Enterprise Zone, may alam ka dito?
Yes po,
Yes,
it was awarded to the SBSI during the term of my mother when she was mayor then around 2018 if I'm not mistaken, Your Honor. Actually it's part of the reasons, one of the reasons why the board of directors has decided to stay in Kapihan, because one of the requirements by the TIEZA is for the organization to have the PAC Brahma renewed early, sir. Because according to TIEZA po, sir, wala daw pong investor na mag-i-invest if shorter lang po yung term nung PAC Brahma. So that's part of their evaluation. At yung incorporation din po ng ibang lacking na mga requirements to our CRMP or Comprehensive Management Plan po ng ang SBSI. Unfortunately po, pagka 2019 po, nabutan po na natalo po yung mama ko, and there were political, unfortunately, sadly, may mga political forces po na tumutol because they wanted po na the project will be transferred to the main island po ng Siargao, because they wanted na doon po isentro yung projects na ibibigay ng gobyerno. And since wala na po yung mama ko in the office because she lost the 2019 election, so naging ano po, unfortunately, parang na doon nagtapos. Hindi namin alam kung ano na pong status right after po na natalo yung mama ko. So, that's what I personally know about that TIEZA project, Your Honor. It worth 5 billion peso project supposedly po sana.
Excuse me. Thank you ha, Dory.
May bahid politika kaya ang mga pangyayaring ito o sadyang napabayaan lang yung management ng nasabing samahan? So comment din po kayo mga ka-YouTube. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. To God be all the glory and God bless us all.